Alright, so this is the lever that came with my new Pivot Mach 429 SL for the dropper post, and it is a vertically configured deal, so that's how you accentuate it. I don't like it because it puts up this cable over the top of the handlebar, which for various hand positions, you know, just kind of in the way. So I prefer the clean underbar look. So the good news is, if you're running a 1x system like me, there is a solution to this problem, and that's a dropper seat post lever left 1x, which is going to be an underbar solution like this. Bad news is this little bad boy costs $65. So the moral of the story is, if you're ordering a bike with a 1x system and you're running a Fox transfer dropper post, the best thing to do would be to make sure it's spec'd with this left dropper post lever that goes under the bar versus this one that is vertically oriented and puts the cable over the top. I'm going to switch this up so my cable should route after this is installed under the bottom, and thereby free up the top of my bars. Good luck. Alright, so here we go, post install. Now we got the 1x lever, which cleans up the bars pretty nice and definitely is preferred setup, in my opinion, for the Fox transfer dropper post. Tools, pretty simple. Allen's $65 part. This is the old lever, cable cutter, and pliers. It's good to have this little number 2 Allen to loosen the cable and the lever and then tighten it again.